going to pick up my Amazon package. I'm gonna pick up my doll. I got my package. It's right here. But the first one is like my dad's package, like a phone case. And the bottom one, like this one. No, I have to cover this one and this one. I have to cover the address. The other one, you guys know what I live. Can't wait to open. I'm gonna do an unboxing. Ooh, can't wait to open it. Hey beautiful stars, welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I got my Draculaura doll, and I am super excited to open her. This is like my second Draculaura doll in my life. The first one I had it for so long and it broke. I had one as a child, but now as an adult, as a 21-year-old, I got my second ever doll. Let's see if I could open this. Let me just rip the box. Holy crap! This is not for real. This is not for real. Ah! I am screaming. Let me show you from a different angle. Look how gorgeous she looks. I am debating on keeping her inside the box until I buy a case display, or just take her out of the box. She looks so gorgeous. She looks so cute. She looks so gorgeous. Look at her. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. I got a Draculaura doll. I love Draculaura. I know I am like a purple girl, but I do not care if she's purple or not. I love Draculaura so much. Oh my gosh, she looks so gorgeous. I think I might open her up out of the box. I'm not sure. Okay, this is what she looks like. I will take her. I will just take this off the plastic, and I will show you what she actually looks like. Let me take my phone at this stand so you can see how gorgeous she looks. Look at the hat detail. Oh my gosh. She looks thick. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Sorry, I am just a kid. I am a kid at heart. I know that I will love any type of doll like this. Look how gorgeous she looks. Look at the accessories she comes with. Oh my goodness. Maybe I will take her out of the box and put her back in. Let me do that. Look how gorgeous she looks. Look how gorgeous she looks. The scissors are here. I was gonna wait until I buy the case display. I'm like, I can still buy the case display, but I'm gonna take it out of the box. But she's too pretty to be out of the box. She's too pretty to be in the box. She's too pretty to be in the box. I am gonna save the box. I'm saving the box. Okay. First thing first, let's take this off. Let's Oh my goodness. I'm still gonna keep the box. Let me not ruin anything. I need to have her out of the box. Let me take this slowly. Look at it. She is perfect. You could take this out, but I won't. Look at the details. You could put stuff in the back. Look at that. Oh, she is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Now, I'm still gonna save the box. Now, let's take this out. This kind of reminds me of My Little Pet Shop. Look how adorable she is, this bad cat. So cute. Impulse man. My impulse are telling me to take her out of the box. But she's gonna be the last thing I take out of the box. I'm still gonna save the box, don't worry. Oh, I thought I broke it, but I didn't. This is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. She's so cute. Wait, let me not ruin her. This is what it looks like. Oh, wait. I'm showing you like this. Okay, this is what it looks like. Oh, the lunch. A cookie. Jam. I don't know what that is, but this is it. Holy shit. So adorable. Look. Wait, she almost fell. Now let's take. Oh, let me not rip the box. Next thing I'm gonna take out is this. The microphone or no lipstick. Her lipstick. Ah! She is so freaking adorable. Look at the lipstick tube. Ah, lipstick tube. Let me try to put it on my nose. I'm kidding. Now, let's take her sunscreen. Her SPF. She has to be. She needs to put sunblock. Like, girl, it's sunblock time. Gotta be putting this all inside her bag. Now let's take her. Oh. Wait. I'm gonna move the camera so much. Let's take out her drink. Look how adorable. This reminds me of Starbucks. Oh, the bag. Look how cute. Oh my goodness. Look at this. She's done. Definitely to have her drink. Now, I'm gonna put this all in her bag. Now let's take out her book. Her book, Monster Magic, signed by Draculaura. Oh my god, look how cute this is. This is what it looks like. Oh. Monster High logo. Oh. magic. Gonna put this all in her bag. Now let's take out her adorable. Let me take this out slowly. I don't wanna ruin this thing. Oh. Let's rip the plastic and try to get the glasses out. If that I can. Now let's try to take the sunglasses out of here. Try to take it out slowly. The sunglasses look so adorable. Look. Let me try it on her. I'm sorry, I was desperate to take her out. Adorbs. Now, let's take her out. First, let's try here. Let's go from the legs. Let's try to cut. Oh, let me not do that. Now, let's. I'm trying to not cut her hair. Any. Look how adorable she is. Gotta be careful the way I. Try to be careful to take her out. The box. She looks so adorable. Now, let's. Oh, I'm so scared to cut. I'm so scared to cut the box. Oh. I don't want to rip the box open because I want to check her out so bad. Okay. Let me just cut this plastic off. Okay, cut the plastic off of there. Now, let's try to. Oh, thank you, phone. For phone. Now I got that off. Now, let's try to cut the hair off. No, oh, not cut the hair off. What? I meant to say cut the plastic off. I don't know why I said cut her hair. I meant to say try not to cut her hair. Hey, now let's try. Oh, hard. Okay. I guess. Oh my god, this is difficult. Oh my goodness. I'm trying not to rip the box open. Oh my god. Let me try to cut this from here. Try not to cut a hat open. The box is too cute. She is so adorable. Look at that. Oh, I don't want to do that. See my... See. Oh my goodness. How do I do this without cutting her hair? I was trying not to cut the stuff around her hat, so I paused the video and my mom helped me to cut the thing around her hat. Now I'm showing you guys the bat. She looks like a bat cat, the pet, and that's the stuff it came with. And I'm just showing you all of it. She is so freaking cute. Look, the hat came off. Oh my goodness, she is so freaking cute. Now I am gonna put everything in the bag. I'm gonna show you the haul of what she came with. That gonna be inside the bag. Her lipstick gonna be inside the bag. Look at the lipstick, is so cute. Her sunscreen is gonna be inside the bag, and her lunchbox is gonna be inside the bag. Look at that. It doesn't close as much, but doesn't matter. It still looks cute. And at the part where I was trying to put her backpack on, I was having a little trouble putting the backpack on. And look how difficult I was trying to put the backpack. Not on this clip, but the next clip, I was having a little bit difficulty putting the backpack on. I'm going to show you 360 of her hair. 360 of the hair. I'm just showing you from the top and the bottom to the top. Look how adorable she looks. Oh my goodness. She looks so oops, the hat fell. She looks so adorable. I love her outfit. I love her hair. I love everything about her. She is so cute. I love the way she looks. And in this clip, I was having trouble putting the backpack on. Just look how difficult I was having to put the damn backpack on her. That was a little difficult to put on the backpack, but this is the end of this video. I'm just showing you a 360 of everything on her, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to become a future beautiful star. Bye.